Oh, wow. This is my new backpack, possibly a sex suit. Oh my goodness. I almost just broke my ankle. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as I'm sure you already know, I'm gonna be trying on some really weird fashion items today. It's one of my favorite things to do, go on the internet and just see what is out there that people are wearing. And I will say, as I do in every video, if you like these items of clothing, that is absolutely great. I have zero fashion sense. I spend most of my time in t-shirts and play suits, and that's about it. And jeans, obviously, I don't just walk around in my underwear. But I don't have much of a fashion sense, so if these things are fashionable to you, if they're things that you would love wearing, amazing. I personally think they look a little bit odd. Personal opinion, and I'm allowed one. So we're just gonna dive right in. I've got a whole pile of things that I don't really understand how they've come to be, and we're gonna just go into it. We're gonna dive right in with well, that's a bag. This. Wow. So this is a onesie, or an all-in-one, or a body suit, or a jumpsuit. I would probably call it a jumpsuit, but a very strange, very strange jumpsuit. This is a shiny gold, possibly a sex suit. So I've just noticed that you can get into this through the front, or funnily enough, there's a little zip at the bum as well. So I think this is for something else, and we're just not going to try that on because I don't really want to be wearing that on the internet. And we're gonna move on to the next item, which hopefully isn't for other things. Okay, so this item is actually from Asos, and it verges on being fashionable. I just think maybe it's a bit too far for me. And that is a pair of ripped jeans, from what I remember, which look like this. But they're just too ripped. They're not even ripped. They're actually like nicely cut out and sewn together. They're actually really good quality. So if you like these, that's amazing. But just, it's such a strange look to me. So I'm just gonna try these on and then see if maybe they look better on than they do how I think they're gonna look. Here we go. I just don't know. If you're gonna wear, just wear shorts. Just look, these are a really cute pair of shorts. Just chop off everything below here, and there's a cute pair of little black shorts. They don't fully fit me perfectly, but they're okay. How annoying is that when you need to use a belt and there's no buckle for you? I really wish they'd put more holes on a belt. I mean, surely it's not too hard to just do a few more just in case, you know? They're comfortable, it's a good quality pair of jeans, and then this has happened. My legs actually feel cold. I'm not even making that up. They feel colder with the breeze from these holes than they did when I wasn't wearing anything on my legs. Pretty sure with the right items and being the right style of girl, I don't even know if that makes sense, but I know what I mean. Some people can just pull this off. They'll match it with something and it will just look cute. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not one of those people. This is how I'd wear it. I'd wear it with the t-shirt and be like, cool, look at me. I've had an accident in my jeans. I had a really bad argument with like a tiger or something, but the tiger's been nice enough to nicely sew up all of the loose hems, so my jeans aren't ripped, but they were. Okay, this, I'm so excited for. I believe this was from Wish, and it's a coat. This, ladies and gentlemen, this is a coat. So we're just gonna open up my coat. Not so much a coat as a cloak of invisibility, but I will be fully visible. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wait, it's not even got arms. Wait, there's not even arms to it. It's just a, oh wow. Oh, I'm so excited to try this on. So it's more of a poncho than a coat. Are there sleeves? Do you put your hands through anything? There are no sleeves at all. Are there? Is this a sleeve? Are you a sleeve? What is this? Is that a pocket? Is there a pocket? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it has pockets. This is not what I had in mind when I've said I love pockets, but I'll take it. The item has pockets. I just don't know how you'd get to them once it's done up. Let's have a go. This is so strange. It smells really plasticky, obviously, because it's plastic. Well done, Jasmine. Pat on the back. Here is my outfit. Wearing this, I can stay dry and, you know, not ruin my outfit, but I can still show you my outfit. So on days when you've put together a great outfit, but then it's raining, this is great. Look, you can still see my stylish outfit. I can still pose for photos, but I'm not getting wet, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, my head is, and my legs are, but my beautiful t-shirt is staying completely dry. Oh, this makes me think of something someone would wear to a fashion show and then you'd never see the item in public again. Honest review, it's comfortable because I genuinely can't really feel it. Every now and again I can feel it around my face, but it doesn't hurt, it's not itchy, so comfort level, thumbs up. The look of it is not for me, but if you like it, great. And then ease of use is gonna get a little bit of a thumbs down because I can only use the bottom. My arms can only stretch this much and then I am stopped, and there aren't any armholes in it, which I just think would make it better. If I just have a little armhole here, if I want to do anything like this, I'm now exposed to the rain that I was really trying to avoid. It's also quite noisy, if you couldn't tell, and it does have pockets. They're the most unuseful pockets ever. Like, how do you use these? We're gonna put my phone in my pocket and some mints. Wait. I mean, hey everyone, if you want to steal a phone, right here. And also, if you want a mint, I can't lie about having them because they're right here. It kind of looks like I've stuck my phone and my mints to myself. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you'd like it. I'm happy to send it on in the post. I really won't, it's not worth it, I promise you. These jeans are very strange to sit in because my knee is now out, and then when I do this, this pulls tightly on this part of my leg and I can't really, it's just strange, okay? Now the next item, I'm actually really excited about. I wouldn't necessarily say it was weird, just weird. A little more cute weird. A backpack that looks like it's drawn onto paper. It looks 2D, but it's very much 3D, and I'm so excited to try this. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is my new backpack. It very much looks 2D. It's 3D, it's an actual backpack, and oh no, it's broken. Oh no, wait a minute. I fixed it. It's an actual backpack that you can put things inside of, and then you put it on your back and it looks like it's drawn. I really, really like this. I'm not going to lie. Why can't I? Oh, are you broken? Oh, no, you have to thread it through yourself. Oh, come on, really? I don't know what I'm doing here. Does this work? I don't know how you thread a backpack. I've never threaded a backpack before. Apparently I'm a genius. I'll take it. Look at this for a match. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. My outfit matches very well today. Look at this pink and then the black. I get fashion, I know what I'm doing. Mom, I'm just off to school. Kabam! I can't really see, but does it look good? I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm too old to be wearing it, but I really freaking like this backpack a lot. Oh my, you could put stuff in here too. There's another pouch. You can put stuff in this little pocket, and then you can put these on. Boom, it's flat. Although I will say, they did send it to me folded up, if you can tell, and so it has made it bend a little bit, but over time that will fix itself, I'm sure. Does it look strange to you, or am I like over exaggerating how weird this is? It doesn't look flat, it looks like a drawing maybe. Also, really quickly, if you didn't already know, I have been posting to my vlog channel. Here are some of the little videos that I've been posting, so make sure you go over there, say hi, leave me a comment that I'll reply to, and yeah, on with the video. Okay, what do we have next? Okay, the next item is to be worn on top of a bikini, I believe, maybe to a festival or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my crop top, my shorts, and we're gonna put this over the top, and you'll see why I've picked this out as something a little bit different. It looks a little like a tutu. Wasn't worn like a tutu. I'm gonna show you how this was worn. Just going to step inside this. And then I'm gonna tie this around my neck. Ta-da! Okay, do we all agree I look a little like a loofah? 1 minute. In case you're wondering, this is a loofah. It's something you wash yourself with in the shower. I really honestly feel like this is a great Halloween costume if you would like to be dressed as a loofah. No? Does anyone else think this? Or just that someone has bought their child a tutu and they don't know how to wear it? It's called a organza halter puff dress. Let me know what you think of this down below. Something is itching me and it's painful. Ow. Please let me know in the comments what you think of this. If you would wear it, great. I honestly, if you're making this look good, then wow. Just wow. Even as a beach cover-up, I don't really get it. So comfort level, it's comfortable, it's not bothering me. It's a little itchy here actually, I lie. It's a little itchy right here. Other than that, soft, silky. It's actually a really, really nice material. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a lovely, soft, silky material. But I look like a little loofah. We're gonna move on to our final item, the one I'm sure most of you clicked on this video to see, and if you haven't seen the previous videos in this series, I will leave the thumbnails here, and as you can see, one of them, I have a pair of heels that has no heel. In that video, the heel curved round, and so it still felt like it had a heel. I could still walk as though I had heels on. But then I found these. Apparently they're Christmas clubbing shoes. I've been clubbing at Christmas time, never seen anyone wearing these, but if you have, let me know, send me a picture. These little gems are gonna be my new Christmas clubbing shoes. What on earth? It reminds me of like something Dr. Seuss would draw. Look at them! Just mental. There is nothing under my heel to support me. I'm actually really quite excited. I feel like the first ones didn't give me enough of a challenge. That is a snug fit. It's comfortable. I'm not gonna put it on the floor until I've got both shoes on. Shoe number 2. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Oh, wow. My feet look mental. We're gonna stand up in them. I don't think I can stand in these. Oh my goodness, these offer no support. Oh my freaking goodness, these offer 0 support. I've got to use my chair. Let me zoom you out a bit. Right, okay. Oh my freaking goodness. Wait. These are a lot more challenging. Wow. There is... This is so weird. There is no support in my heels. If I do this, then I'm just going backwards. Oh no! So, these are really, really hard to stand in. Wait, while you're watching this video, stand up and stand on your absolute tippy toes and see how long you can stand there for, and see if it starts to ache the back of your calves at all. That's what it's like wearing these shoes, only you can't come down off your heels. There's nothing. If I do this, I'm gone. They're actually pretty comfortable in general. However, the balls of my feet already feel like the end of a night out. They're okay to walk in, but if someone pushed me, I would instantly go down. I almost just broke my ankle trying to take a thumbnail. I was trying to stand on one foot and then sort of fall forwards, and this foot on the bottom just gave way, and I swear to whoever, I almost just broke my ankle. I mean, these do make my legs look really lovely and long, don't they? Look at them. These were advertised as Christmas clubbing shoes, so I thought I'd do a little bit of clubbing for you, dancing, which is gonna be really, really random because there's no music playing right now. So I'm just gonna jam out to, oh wait a minute. Okay Google, play club music. I'm gonna dance to that, but I'm gonna edit it out because of copyright reasons. We ready? Oh yeah. sexy dance in these. I really don't. Not that I can sexy dance. I mean, I can try. Okay, Google, play some sexy dance music. Oh, I almost twisted my ankle again. Oh. Yeah, okay. It's almost impossible to sexy dance. Trying to do this is the most difficult thing in the world. It's so hard. Not only that, I realised you can't very easily slut drop in these. Like, just... They're so... Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Wait a minute. So you can't really do the whole slut drop thing because I can't get back up again without looking like a weirdo. So I don't know how you're dancing down the club without holding on to a man for dear life, or a girl, or a post, or something. I'm so tired. I am so ridiculously tired. My goodness, let me just feel the floor with my foot. Oh my goodness. Oh, my feet are in so much pain. My feet are in so much pain. They actually hurt as much as a night out. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. I am so out of breath and tired. If you have stayed all the way until the end of this video, give it a big thumbs up and then let me know down below in the comments how great my dancing skills are. And I will see you guys next week on this channel, Friday at 6 p.m. Love ya, bye.